Hello, welcome everyone. So today I just want to run through very basic Windows command prompt commands. You know, in Linux we have a few commands as well to list directories, change directories, etc. And in Windows we have the same as well. I'm pretty sure there are lots of videos online, but in this video I'm just going to assume you don't really know anything about the command prompt. Okay, so before I start anything, I will clear the screen, and that's the first command I'll show you. CLS. CLS is there to clear the screen. Okay, CLS is here to clear the screen lest it gets too crowded. Okay, so let's say I mean it will take a while to get used to, but I think CLS would mean clear screen, right? CLS, okay, would mean clear screen. Okay, so how do you once you know that you kind of know how to tidy things up. Okay, so next thing is that, you know, how do you, okay, hold on. Okay, next thing is that, you know, how then do you find out where you are. You use the dir command, directory, which will list all the directories here. So for example, there is desktop, there's documents, downloads, favorites, links, etc, etc. And you notice stuff here like, you know, when was the thing created and last modified, something like that. If it's a directory, it would say it's directory. If it's not a directory, you won't find the directory entry here. So again, you want to do CLS to clear, and you can type directory again, dir, to find out every directory and file in this current directory. Okay, so let's say you want to go and explore the desktop. So how do you do that? You use the command chdir, and again, this is a very yeah, it's quite a lot to take in if this is your first time, but this is how you do it. chdir desktop, and you use the dir command to list the stuff on the desktop. So what do you see here? There's a Microsoft Edge link. So this is a Microsoft Edge shortcut. Okay, Microsoft Teams link, and then there's this Windows script master. So these are the things over here: Microsoft Edge, Windows 10 script. There's a recycle bin and origin and Steam as well, but it doesn't seem to be showing up. Okay, so I use Control-Alt-T to bring up my command prompt. If you want to know how to do that, you have to visit some other video. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. Okay, so now the neat thing about this is that you can actually run applications from here. So for example, Notepad. Okay, if you put a Notepad, it will run Notepad directly here. Alright, if you want to do Notepad, well, maybe ABC. So Notepad will say it cannot find an ABC text file. Do you want to create a new file called ABC? Then just say yes, and then you can type hello there. Hello, I am ABC, and then you just save, and then you can close. Okay, and then when you type dir again, okay, you'll find this new file called abc.txt. Okay, so let's CLS everything to clear. So we'll keep repeating again and again, because this repetition will help you to remember what the commands are. The more you use it, the more natural you will be. Okay, so let's say you okay, dir. I got muscle memory with Linux. That's why I keep using L or ls. So let's say you have this abc.txt, and then you're like, okay, I don't really want to deal with this abc.txt anymore. What can I do? Okay, very simple. This is the del command. Okay, del command. Del command just, well, as the name suggests, deletes. So for example, I want to delete the abc.txt, and if you want to do abc.txt, you can do so. Alright, and you do a CLS dir again, and then abc.txt is gone. So let's do notepad abc.txt, and then abc. Let's save this here. Now let's say you saw just now that sometimes if the name is long, I will need to type in every single letter and word in order to delete it properly. Is there a shorter way of doing this? Yes, there is. You can use the tab command to do a tab completion, so that you don't have to type everything out. So if I want to del abc.txt, I can just use del A, and then you press tab to complete. Okay, so I CLS again to clear. Okay, CLS to clear. You can use notepad directly from here. So again, we did directory, change directory, which is chdir. So I can do chdir if I want to navigate to the one folder up. You just press 2 dots over here. Okay, if I want to go another folder up, 2 dots again. So say chdir. Okay, and then I want to go to the desktop, and then I can also use tab completion here. Okay, so I can use dir. Okay, so that's dir, chdir, cls, and del. And of course you can use notepad from your command prompt. Okay, you can use notepad from command prompt, del, cls. I guess there are other editors you can use, but well, just use notepad. Alright, so dir, chdir, and if you, let's say you want to make a new directory, right? We can use the word mkdir, which is make directory. This is the same as Linux, but if you're not sure what about Linux even, don't worry. mkdir stands for make directory. So let's call this directory ABC, and then I use the dir command, and you can see ABC here is a directory. So let's try del ABC. Okay. Then because now you're removing a directory, people will ask, are you sure? I mean, the command prompt will ask, are you sure? You can just press Y, and if you can do, you see dir is still there. What have you just deleted? You have deleted all the files. You can see this asterisk. You have actually deleted all the files within ABC. Okay, all files and folders, well, basically all files within ABC. But there are no files within ABC, and this directory is here. And how then do you remove ABC? You can use the rmdir, which is remove directory. Then you can do rmdir ABC, and now you see ABC is gone. So again, let's show you again. CLS to clear, mkdir ABC. Okay, I can go into ABC, and I can notepad ABC1, and ABC1 will be here. I can notepad ABC2, and then I'll do ABC2 and save. So chdir dot dot to go up one folder. Okay, so dir to do this current folder. Well, you can even if I'm not wrong, you can also dir ABC to find out the contents within ABC, and this is what you will get as the output. So this is the directory that will show, and then you'll see abc.text, abc1 and abc2.text. And let's do this again. Del ABC, and then it will ask you whether you want to delete all files within there, and you can just click yes. CLS to clear, dir is here, and you can see dir ABC, and you'll see all of this is actually deleted. And let's do the last one, rmdir ABC, and this will actually remove the ABC file and folder. Okay, so I just want to show you that all of this actually happens real time on the desktop. Okay, so let's see mkdir ABC, and you can see the ABC file actually stands here, goes here, chdr ABC, and I do notepad ABC1, and you can actually go into ABC, and you'll find that abc1.text is just there. Okay, CLS to clear, chdir dot dot, and let's try rmdir ABC, and then it will complain that the directory is not empty. So what we have to do is del ABC first. We'll delete all the files in, and then rmdir ABC. Okay, so this is a very basic introduction to the command prompt, how to make files like text files, how to use the dir chdir commands to list all your folders and files, chdir to navigate around, mkdir to make directories, rmdir to remove directories, cls to clear the screen so that it's neat, the del command, and of course notepad. Okay, so that's all I have. Thanks for watching.